Hi guys, welcome to another session. My name is Timothy from Design View. So today I'm going to be showing us how to create some very cool 3D shapes and probably a logo or something. We're just going to be doing something simple and easy. We're just going to be using some shape tools and all that. So the first thing I want to do is I'll go to my Polygon Tool, and I just click on my artboard, and I just want to have the three sides selected. So I'm going to create a triangle, so that way we can have a better view of what I'm doing. So if you want to increase this shape, you just click down on shift and alternate. We have shape like this. So shift and alternate, it increased the whole side uniformly. So the next thing you want to do is turn off the fill, or probably just do this way. I just want to have the stroke only turned on. So I've dropped my tool to the selection tool. So the next thing I want to add anchor points to some very key places, so I can delete one of the places so we can have a very unique shape. So I think I will go to my pen tool. Where I have my pen tool, you see add anchor point. I just come to this part, and you can see you can turn on your smart guide, and so that you can have all these things shown. So you just go add another anchor point. So you click A on your keyboard, or you come to direct selection tool here at the toolbar, you select, then I go to this guy and I hit delete. Now what it does is it deleted just one part. If I hadn't added the anchor point, it would have deleted almost like the whole part we have beneath here. So afterwards you just come back to your direct selection tool. You can hit A button, that's the shortcut. So you click on this rounded shape you see beneath the point you see above there. So then you just want to click here and you drag it inwards to a very suitable shape you want. So I already have this is the color I'm going to be using. So I already have it. You can use anything on your stroke. You can even probably just use black. Let's just use black, so you don't feel like you have to necessarily use this color. So the next thing I want to do is create my circle, which is come to ellipse tool, click on it, and just click down shift, have my circle created. And sometimes when you create your circle and it's white, let's say this is the color, the preset color that came with it, what you want to do is click on the eyedropper tool, then click on I'm going to be providing us with this color gradient rather, and you just go around it, just use it and play around it and figure out something for yourself. So I'm going to be choosing this guy. So, and as such, I want to create another copy of it. So to create another copy of this circle, you click down, press down your shift and alternate, then you drag towards your left hand side. So, and as such, it creates another copy for you. So you want to do something which is very important. You just click on the blender tool rather. When you do that, you just want to have the blender tool chosen, and click on this guy. So what it does is it blends the two shape, the color together, and afterwards we want to do something briefly. Now you just want to go like this and select the bow tools. The bow shape. Okay, it looks like we have a shape here. Just delete this guy. So select the bow shape and go to your object bar at the top bar, go to your blend and replace spine, and wow, we have a very beautiful colorful shape, which is very important. So you want to have I just want to create a figure 3 So the next thing I will do is I click down on my ellipse to rounded rectangle, and I just create a very sweet rectangle as I want. So the next thing I want to do is drop back the shape, then I just drag this guy inwards. So I want to have these stroke as should I no let me just have my fill as black. So you can do that by switching it this at this toolbar here. So now I click my line tool, and I come to the center here, click down shift, and I draw my line in between the shape. So okay, we don't have a straight line. If for instance you draw a line and you don't see it to align, what you do is select the both shape and come to align center, vertical align. So it aligns very well for you to divide the shape. So the next thing you want to hit more options at the pathfinder. You can go forward to the windows. I think we have it on the window there. There's your pathfinder tool. Where is it now? It's this way you can turn on your smart guide, just to show you, just to guide you properly on how to go about your designs. So it shows whether or not your stuff is aligned. So this is where you get your pathfinder tool. I think this place right on your, I think your objects, you go to your path, and no, that's not it, sorry. I think it's under effect, no, view, yes, it should be here. You just figure out how to get the pathfinder tool. But ordinarily, if your workspace is chosen as essential classic, everything turns on for you. Just go to your workspace and make sure that your place is turned to essential classic. So now I will, since I've divided okay, no, I've not created that stuff now. So we have everything selected. Now what I want to do, I want to divide this shape into two, just to make letter 3. Now I divide, or figure 3 rather, I divide. So when it divides, it has divided for me. I just click on the tool now, on the shape rather, then I left click, then I go to ungroup, and I search, this is ungroup from this guy. So what I want to do is I want to turn off the fill. Now I want to make it stroke only. So I'll just click my direct selection tool to delete this path. Just select the path, hit delete on your keyboard, and that is it. So I want to have it this way, and I have this guy here. You can create just not to bother yourself so much, you can go further to create another shape by clicking okay, holding your Ctrl C and Ctrl F. It has created another shape on this shape. So the next thing you want to do is go to flip. You flip along vertical axis. I think you should flip for us. Do we have it flipped? Okay, no. So to flip on vertical axis, and I just wanna, so the next thing you want to do is, now the next thing you want to do is, you already have a figure 3 shape. So just like we did for the alphabet A, now you want to have your ellipse tool chosen rather, and create a circle, and come to your eyedropper tool, create this guy, and you want to replicate the shape, shift alternate. You can still do the Ctrl C Ctrl F on this one. So you want to have your blend tool chosen here, and you come here and it blends. So you want to have both shapes selected. I think okay, let's do something. Let me check out. So now you go and repeat the same process for, okay, it looks like it's not available for us. Okay, the next thing I want to do for this part is convert it to a shape. Now you choose this guy, and you go to expand, and you hit OK. So you select the boat, and you go to your shape builder tool and just do something very unique here. Okay, if you want to zoom in, the best thing to do is Ctrl++, or zoom out is Ctrl minus. I think this is the proper way to do it. Okay, now this is both converted into a shape. So let's see if that works for us now. And blend, replace spine. You just see, wow, it transforms, and we have our our figure 3 chosen. You can have this as a logo, as a 3D logo. You can say you want to create A3, you can have several number 1 and all that. You can create number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with this simple method I've shown you. So with that being said, this looks great, and I just want to keep it simple and keep it easy like this. So if you want to reduce it, you just, like I said, hit down Ctrl Shift and alternate and drag it inwards. With that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Just go ahead, hit the button subscribe, hit the button share, like, and drop your comment. What do you like about the video? How can I improve the video for you? Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.